now we are back, and this time we are going to cover what this is. Okay, and we're going to get some labels set up so you can start seeing some visual changes on what this awesome software can do. All right, so as you can see here, conversations, this is just a normal view. It's nothing special, right? This toggle here, and once we get things going, I will refresh the screen. Actually, I wonder, I'm gonna test something out right now. Now that we have the extension installed, see what it will do before. There we go. Sometimes it's a good idea after you do an action. So once you download an extension, to refresh the page, so then that way everything can update. But as you can see, before we've done anything in the dashboard, all of a sudden you have some labels or some blank labels here on that. So that just showed up with everyone here. And this button is actually your toggle to toggle them off and toggle them back on. So for whatever reason you don't want to see the labels, you can toggle them off. You have that option. It's not 100% on always. You have that option there. So real quick, just to give you an idea, there's 4 options here and a couple down here. So what, 6 total menu options here for you. So it's not an overwhelming software. That's really the thing I want to get across here, that this is very simple. Okay, so labels, tags, messages, webhooks, and then where you can update your password, please do that. And then also the log out if you wanted to log out for whatever reason. Also down here is where you can contact support. I also encourage you can also reach out to me directly. You have my contact information now. You could either just contact me first. A lot of the times it's things that simple I might be able to help you out with, but sometimes it could be something with the software. Maybe there's a bug that you like to report. Still let me know, because I still like to be aware of things, and then that way I can go ahead and report it to the dev team, and they can get right on it on that. So let's go ahead and create some labels. All right, so right up here where it says create a label, there's a space where you can start typing something in. So to keep this simple, for the sake of, okay, what is the main reason why we would even want to categorize our conversations, right? Well, if you are having a lot of conversations within Facebook, you want to be able to track what are the different stages people are in. So just for this example, just so you can show, so you can see what this looks like, we're going to just create our cold leads. So cold lead, click add, warm lead, and click add, hot lead, click add. Simple. Now we have 3 labels, and now you notice as I created these labels, they're all the same color. Okay, so there's one more step we need to do to make this where we have our different colors. So you could put in a hex key. So if there's exact numbers, or not numbers, but if there's an exact color, you could put in your hex key code there for that. So I'm not being that extra. So I'm gonna just pick some the default colors that they have in there. And just for this example, red hot leads, red hot, like that. So there, boom, we have 3 labels created, and just seconds, barely even thought about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and, oops, again, I made a change. So what I'm gonna want to do is just kind of refresh on that, just so you can update it, into the server, and then there we go. So what's nice about Chrome extension is you might click out of the window, whatever, and you're not losing anything, because all you got to do is just click on the G icon, and then boom, we're back in business, baby. So now that you see here, now that we've refreshed and uploaded that, now we can start tag or labeling the people in our messenger. Look at that. Look how easy that is, right? These beautiful colors. Bob Ross would be happy. He'd be amazed. Look at that. So Here we go. So now we've added labels. We went ahead and color coded some of these conversations. In this example, I just went at random, but when you're doing this, think about, okay, you can create your labels for friends and family. So again, when you open up your messenger, you see right away who's where, right? That especially with your most recent ones. Now, here's the thing: as more people end up in your inbox in your messenger account, conversations get pushed down, right? And what's really cool about this, and I might be jumping ahead a little bit in the training, but you can search labels. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on or type in hot. Okay, so we put the search in for hot leads, or I didn't even type the whole thing in. I just typed in hot, and as you can see that it is still searching. So with that, so fairly quick, as far as, whoops, I think I just put hot lead. There we go. On that. So let's see, hot lead. Let's do warm lead. See how fast that is. Cold. I got fast. So that's how you can do a quick search on the groups. How you have people labeled. So something that also I would like to point out is, as you can see here, cold leads, we have 4 people in that category, hot lead 2, warm leads 3 on that. So also at a glance in the dashboard, you're able to see how many people you have in each particular label, with that. So something that's pretty neat as well. So if we're to look at tags, now this is a new update. So in the next video, we're going to go ahead and talk about tags and what are the tags and how you can use them.